con el... ¿Lista? Okay, Mrs. Monica. Let's go through all the stuff that we went through. What do you think about the shower?
I think you guys did a fantastic job. It looks great. It looks just exactly what we need. Very, very good job.
So you see we have all the grab bars.
Yes, that will all work real well.
And we have the other one here. We got one more here, got three. The whole tank. This is on. Everything, put everything together.
Yes.
You're going to start getting, they got the curtain. Now what about the door that you wanted? Actually you get it. Slide it out. Yeah.
Works well.
Let's go through about the door again. What about the opening?
The openings here are definitely better. He won't be scraping his fingers or anything like that going through. Much better. And I love the fact that you incorporated the old wood back into it, so there isn't a huge change in that respect. I really appreciate it.
You feel happy with
I'm very happy with it.
All right, let's go see the other.
The old door, he could have gotten in and out that way. So, yes,
So do you happy with it?
I'm very happy.
Okay. So now we come out.
Good. So it's still, follows what it had. It looks good. And I asked for this not to be painted. I like it.
As long as you be happy, we have it.
Door, it's just, oh, it doesn't have a broken window in it.
And it's wired too.
Yes, the
36.
door frame is wider. Again, it will work real well for him.
Then we got the Lego door.
Yeah, that little step down that was there before would not have worked for him.
And what
At all.
do you think about the screen?
That's fantastic. I'm glad that you were able to put that aluminum thing to protect the screen.
Yes.
But the door is really nice. Really happy with it too. And
What do you think? Something different, huh?
it's more than what I was expecting. I was not expecting this type of deck. I was thinking that it was going to be something a lot simpler. But I'm happy with this. The steps for me get in that direction.
I was just kind of scared that you don't like it.
Yeah, I like it. I
Right?
really like it.
You asked for 3 long steps,
Yes.
and you had it right there.
Yep.
Okay. So what do you?
It is nice. I think my husband is going to be very, very pleased.
You can park your car right here.
Yes.
Go in and out.
It's the way this is set up here is a whole lot better
They
than
want.
going straight out.
Yes. Yeah, I agree. Even
is perfect.
even the landing gear.